Hello and good day guys. So we have here itel it2171, the keypad phone, that the microphone is not working. Even you do the correct jumper and tried a new microphones but still not working. But when you plug in the headset, you notice that the microphone is working. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what I did in this phone. I tried everything, even the correct jumper. I watched some tutorial, but it's not working at all. So I'm gonna show you what I did in this phone, that the microphone is now fixed and fully worked. So I'm gonna try to speak English in this video. Sorry, but I'm not good in English, but I try to, because some of us outside Philippines, even the Pakistan and India, still using this kind of phone. Even we are in the latest or modern technology, but some of us are still using this kind of phone, the keypad phone. So again, we have here itel it2171. Microphone is not working. So the main issue of this phone is charging port. The charging port of this phone, the original charging port, is not working. So after I replace the charging port, the micro USB, the customer come back me here and he said that the microphone is not working. So I do the correct jumper at the back. You can saw that in YouTube tutorials in same model, the same model it2171, on how to correct jumper. It's so many tutorials in there and on how to jumper, but no one of them find or answer my trouble in this or issue in this phone. So maybe I'm the one to upload this kind of troubleshooting to fix the microphone of this phone. So what I did here is I tried everything. I took 3 hours last night, so I almost surrender. I cleaned my table and I decided to test it again for the last time. But I removed the micro USB charging port that I've replaced, and I've noticed that when I record my voice, it plays on the loudspeaker and it's worked. So what I mean is, when I remove the micro USB or the micro charging port, the microphone is working. So I do the continuity test. I'm gonna remove this one. Okay, we're gonna make the sample because this has no charging port at all. So I removed the charging port already. So you can see this in this video. This phone now is can record our voice. Okay, before we proceed on what I did. Okay, let's go back. Yeah. Okay, sound record. Hello, mic check. Hello, mic check. At first, when the customer bring it back here, this phone, I thought that the microphone is removed. Some of wire is removed, but all is intact. So you hear that the microphone is working. So we're gonna turn this off, and I show you at the back what I did last night. I took 3 hours, and then when I find out what is the main issue, I'm I go to bed and sleep to relax my mind. So I can just handle that. I cannot repair this kind of situation. Even this is an old phone or old type. So I remove this cover and I do jumper in here. There's so many tutorial on how to make jumper, but my jumper is useless because I do the continuity test in this red wire of the microphone in here. All is working, and also the black wire. I do the continuity test here. It's also working, and even the backup microphone position here. I do the continuity test. Everything in here, all is working. So that means the microphone line is no issue. And the capacitor, I do the shorted test. the red wire and the black wire, continuity test, there's no beep. The line of this microphone line is normal. So I remove the charging port and do the record, sound record, and it works. So the issue now is a charging port, not in the microphone line. So when you encounter this kind of issue, because when you search on YouTube, if needed, uh, the jumper is not working. So try to remove the charging port, then record your voice or make a call so that the microphone will work. So just what I did in this phone. So when I remove the charging port, you hear that you see the test that the microphone is working. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the block in here or some of electrical tape in the ground. But the positive is, I'm gonna connect the positive in here. But I gonna do the I'm gonna put the electrical tape in here in these four pins, and I'm gonna do the jumper on the ground. So I'm gonna try that. So that's all. Sorry for my bad English, but I saw in YouTube there's so many asking that this kind of model itel it2171 is the microphone not working, even we gonna do the correct jumper but still not working. So try to remove the charging port. Even the charging port is original, but try to remove because maybe there's unshorted in here. So right, hope you understand what I'm said here. So again, if the microphone is not working but you tried new microphone and then the continuity test is all working, that means the continuity of this microphone is good. So move on to that and go to the charging board and remove it and then try it again. So that's all, and hope you understand. So Ricky Neutron on Facebook and YouTube from Toril, Davao City. Thanks for watching.